Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you can see which cryptocurrencies are available for staking to earn yield through the Coinbase app. So what we're going to do is launch Coinbase. And from the homepage of the Coinbase app, what we want to do is open up the menu by clicking that here in the upper left-hand corner. And then in the menu, you want to scroll down until you find the earn area. And then from there, we want to click on where it says staking. Then from the staking page at the bottom, find where it says buy more, click on that. And that'll take you over to a page where it's going to show you earning assets. So cryptocurrencies that you can stake to earn yield. And it's going to list them by those that currently earn the highest yield and down from there. So you can continue to scroll through the list to see your different options. And scrolling through the rest of the list, there's 9 different options currently that have staking through the Coinbase app, and that's where you're going to be able to find them. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, showing you where you can find which cryptocurrencies have staking in the Coinbase app and what yield they're currently offering. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel for more content in the future.